My name is Yogesh Sharma, and I'm here to demonstrate my assignment regarding the DCC plugin connected to FastAPI server and PyQt application, which is compiled in a single binary. So let's start. First, I'll demonstrate my application, then I'll tell you about the code in short. So this is my first API server. So yeah, this is my first API server. First, once I start it, so then I can go to my Blender, and this is my plugin on the side panel. So yeah, if this cube is selected, as you can see, object selector, cube, light, camera, whatever objects are there in here, I can uh, transform it as I like and scale. So yeah, you can see that in the side panel, as I change anything, the value changes if I rotate like after pressing R. So yeah, I can choose what data I want to send to my server. Like as I want to send transform data, like it contains all the data, all 9 points. So yeah, after I send it, as you can see, data sent successfully. And once I go to the server, as you can see, slash transform request for response status is 200. And when I go to my database, the database is saved in user Windows C drive. User yes, Vega 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 data. So yeah, once I go to my database, my inventory.db. So yeah, as you can see, my transform data is here. My cube data has been saved here. As you can see, 0.18479, 0.18479. All 9 data of all 9 points have been saved here. So yeah, we can save data. Also, I can send the file path. Like as you can see, it's saved here in document s.blend. So yeah, get file path, and once I send it, you can check in file path, the Blender file data has been saved. So yeah, and also I can add things to the inventory, something random XYZ. I can add set the quantity like 5 and add item. And once I say show inventory, so as you can see, it has been saved here. Another item like yes, show quantity 7. So yeah, it has been saved here, and I can check the inventory. Uh, Also, you can see yes 7 and that random thing 5. I can remove it like SBEKKH. Remove item has been removed from here, from the inventory also. It has been removed. I can update the quantity, like for yes I can keep it 8. So yeah, update 8. So yeah, this is my plugin. Also I have a PyQt application, which has been in the Viga folder. Yeah, Viga.exe. As you can see, yes, which has been synced here. So yeah, if I add another item, let me keep it on top. So yeah, like Viga cube, and we added 5. Add. So yeah, once I refresh it, cube has been, and here if we buy any item, so like it has been less, cube has been 3, and return means increase. So yes has been 9. So yeah, once I buy any item, here also it has been changed. As you can see, yes 9 cube 3 automatically. So it's synced through WebSocket. So now I'll tell you about my code first. So the main problem is how I connect this PyQt application to the to the Blender plugin. So for that I used WebSocket, and WebSocket doesn't come in Blender Python environment automatically. So I had to add it in my uh, I had to add it in my plugin zip file. So as you can see, WebSocket library has been added, and I imported it and like imported it here. So yeah, panels.py, here I drew the structure of my side panel. And yeah, and as you can see, when I view show inventory panel, so whenever I click the button show inventory, it sends the server to slash inventory and get the data and create the layout for the inventory according to the number, the response operators, how things operate, certain buttons function would work. So like refresh inventory would load the data, get file path will send the data to the file path, and different action what do what. So yeah, this is WebSocket manager, like how it would connect to slash ws of my Python data and will work. So yeah, this is ba base URL slash. So yeah, this is my fast API server. This is the model, like what would be the model of my SQL inventory. So yeah, inventory item transform record and file path. Yeah, and here is the endpoint where whatever this is WebSocket endpoint, which would check for any changes in the database. As soon as there is any change in database, it would tell to the plugin, and it would refresh the cache of the plugin. So yeah, that's how it works. Slash add items would add item to the inventory. slash transform with transform data would save transform data to the inventory slash file path slash translation rotation. So yeah, these are the endpoints, and yeah, this is my fast API server, how it's working. And as you can see in main.py, I have imported WebSocket and slash ws would check, this would check the get db and would tell the plugin if anything change. And where's my PyQt application? This is my PyQt application. It has model of the database similar because it's connected to the inventory.db. So yeah, here also if we change anything, it would change to the inventory. And yeah, this is my inventory widget. This is how it should look. So yeah, the table, the coloring, I set it here, and the main window, the outer window of my this window. It's a simple black color with the logo imported on the corner, this corner. Yeah, this is my, and here I imported the hidden library like SQL and others to hidden imports to to for the application to work with imports like SQL command and PyQt application while compiling into single binary. So yeah, so I installed main.spec from the Python installer, and then it saved that here in Viga folder. Yeah, with internals. Here there are libraries like PyQt and all. So yeah, this is my assignment. Hope you liked it. It's seamless. Like it works instantly among the, yeah, you can see it changes here, and every data gets sent. So I think yeah, I completed the every part of the assignment, like, including bonus parts. Hope you liked it. I am waiting to hear back from you soon. So thank you. Bye.